everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Rated TV show and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngothando nesithembu season 8 episode 7 la ke sibone khona ke uMusa Mseleku ezo introduce number 5 kuMacele. uMacele guys ujabule ngendlela emangalisayo. But abantu they are like uMacele but akajabulele ukuthi ke uMseleku uthatha unkosikazi wesi5. Into emjabulisa kakhulu ukuthi la amanye amakhosikazi awayizwa kahle indaba ukuthi uMseleku ke uthatha number 5 futhi ke awakamukeli kahle. So uMacele is using that against them. Simuzwa ke lapha mayifika ke usisi ke uMakhwela emtshela ukuthi lalela ke sisi mina angiyena umamezala wakho futhi mina ke angisiyena umngani wakho. So abantu bathi ivoice yakhe nje mayikhuluma lonto le ikhomba ukuthi ayi le happiness ayiclaimayo ukuthi uhappy ukuthi uMusa uyathatha unkosikazi wesi5 engazi ukuthi ke ayikho kahle hle. Into afuna ukuyena is to spite the otherwise because uyababona ukuthi abekho happy ngalindaba. So guys, yeah, so yonke eyenzekile wamnika ku blanket wamnika imbali of which it was a good thing. It was a good thing. Yena ngemayini abazozwana ngempela kule season. Khona nje inclip engiyibonile la umayini khona emtshela ukuthi phuma manto. Phuma kule ndaba ubona ukuthi baxabana they are fighting and they've been fighting even the last episode la ebemtshela khona ukuthi embuza ukuthi yakuphi intombazana athi hayi mina uzokhuluma naye yabo. So nje abazozwana ngempela ngoba umayeni akayifuni indaba ukuthi uMseleku agale futhi uMseleku wathi ke bahambayo bona bazosala beyincenga. So uMacele is using that against labanye abafazi. I don't think ngoba emthanda ngempela uMakhwela ayangicabangi kanjalo. Into emangazi abantu abaningi ukuthi uMakhwela ubaba wakhe wayeseklasini befunda esikoleni esisodwa ke nobaba uMseleku. So uzomintroduce amtshela ukuthi yena ngumuntu olingana naye ke who's your son in law. But ke yeah guys, asazi nkosami ukuthi ke kuzohamba kanjani kodwa nje ayi impilo kamakhwela ngazo cha ihamba kahle impela ngoba indoda yona iyamthanda. uMacele umemukele ezonkosikazi wesi5 asazi noma uzothathani futhi uMseleku but nje kusho ukuthi ikhanda lizomshaya lemqeqebule okwangempela ke la ngenxa ukuthi ke abafazi bayakhathaza nawe uyababona nje omayini uyababona oMangwabe kuyaphithizela nje. So that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.